I hope that you all are doing well and you all will be in the best of your times. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you the basic difference between atom, cell, compound and molecule in very easy words and in easy language, and I'll explain this difference by illustrating and by taking examples from our daily life. You all know that an atom is like the smallest piece of a building block. Imagine you are building something with Lego bricks and you take one brick. That one brick is an atom. Atoms are basically the tiniest parts of everything around us, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. And there are different types of atoms like oxygen, hydrogen and carbon, and they combine to form everything. So we can say everything around us or everything in this universe is made up of an atom. Now I am explaining this with an example. Think of an atom like a single Lego brick. It is the basic unit that can combine to build bigger things, but on its own it's small and simple. What is molecule? When two or more atoms join together, they form a molecule. It's like snapping a few Lego bricks together to make a small structure. Molecules can be as small as two atoms are made up of thousands. So when two or more atoms join together, they form a molecule. Water H2O is a molecule because two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom combine to form a water molecule. It's like clicking together two hydrogen Lego pieces and one oxygen piece. What is a compound? Compound is basically a special kind of molecule that is made of different types of atoms. So all compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Keep remember that a compound is also a kind of molecule, but compound is made up of different types of atoms, not from the same types of atoms. A compound is like a mini model built with different types of Lego pieces, bricks of different colors and shapes. Water is also a compound because it is made up of two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Salt NaCl is another compound made of sodium and chlorine atoms. What is a cell? A cell is much bigger than atoms or molecules. It's like a tiny living factory that does work inside your body. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things, from plants to animals. They are made up of millions of atoms and molecules working together. Keep remember that all the living and non-living things are made up of an atom, but all the living things are made up of a cell. And cell is much bigger than atoms. Think of a cell like a small city. It has buildings, organelles that do different jobs, roads, structures to move things around, and workers, molecules that keep everything functioning. Your body has trillions of cells working together to keep you alive. Let's quickly summarize this difference between atom, molecule, compound, and cell. The smallest piece of matter, like a single Lego brick, is an atom. Molecule, two or more atoms bonded together, like snapping a few Lego bricks together. And compound, a molecule made of different types of atoms, like building something with different colored Lego bricks. And cell is the basic unit of life, made up of molecules and atoms like a tiny working city. Have a very nice day. Take very good care of yourself. Bye. Allah Hafiz.